Over in the States, the Supreme Court on Monday unanimously rejected attempts to remove Donald Trump from the 2024 presidential primary ballots. Coming just a day before the Super Tuesday primaries, the court ruled that such power resides with Congress and not at the state level. Eun-jin has the latest.
A day before Super Tuesday, when the largest number of states will be holding presidential primaries or caucuses, the U.S. Supreme Court unanimously restored Donald Trump to the 2024 presidential primary ballots. The state of Colorado had barred Trump from its Republican primary, arguing he incited the 2021 January 6th Capitol riot. While there was sharp disagreement among the Supreme Court justices on the relevance of a post-Civil War provision to prevent former office holders who engaged in insurrection from holding office again, all 9 justices unanimously agreed that Trump remain on the ballot on the basis that the 14th Amendment did not allow individual states to bar the former president from running for president, and that only Congress had that power.
They were unanimous in their ruling, and they said that Colorado is unable to disqualify Trump. Interestingly, they said nothing about the logic of Colorado Supreme Court. They said nothing about the underlying finding that Donald Trump did engage in insurrection, and instead they said procedurally a state can't make that determination, but this is something that Congress has to step up and do.
Trump's case was the first at the Supreme Court dealing with a provision of the 14th Amendment. And while Monday's unanimous ruling is specific to Colorado, it also overrides state-level decisions to remove Trump from the GOP primary ballot in Maine and Illinois, where his inclusion had also been on hold. This was also the High Court's most direct involvement in a presidential election since the case of Bush versus Gore in 2000 regarding a vote recount in the presidential election. With Monday's ruling, the Supreme Court has cleared the way for Donald Trump to remain on the ballot in all 50 states. Eun-jin, Arirang News.